This is a problem on section and midpoint formula. Calculate the ratio in which the line joining the points -3, -1 and 5, 7 is divided by the line x equal to 2. Also find the coordinates of the point of intersection. Let's first draw the coordinate axis, x and y. This is the y-axis, and that's the x-axis. I'll write it down. X and y. Let's see the first point, which is -3, -1. So -3 would be somewhere here. I'll mark with pen. -3 would be somewhere here, and -1 would be somewhere here. So the -3 is the x coordinate and -1 is the y coordinate. So this is the point. This is -3, -1. And the other point, I'll mark in blue, is 5, 7. So 5 is positive x, somewhere here. I'll mark with pen. So this will be 5 and 7, somewhere up. It's not completely up to scale, so because of the limitation of space, but 7 should be somewhere here. So this is the, then if we extend the y-axis up, 7 would be here. So 5, 7. So -3, -1 and 5, 7. 5, 7. So these are the 2 points. If I join a line between them, this would be the line. And we have to calculate the ratio in which the line joining these 2 points is divided by the line x equal to 2. Now when x is equal to 2, this is x equal to 2. X equal to 2. So all the points which have the x coordinate as 2, which is, I'll mark a red line. This is the x equal to 2 line, because if you take any point on this line, the x coordinate will be 2. So our interest would be the point marked in green, this point of intersection. So firstly, we need to find the ratio in which these 2 lines are divided, and also the coordinates of the point of intersection. So how do we do that? Firstly, let's find the equation of this line, the black line, the line joining -3, -1 and 5, 7. So the equation of that line would be y -7, sorry, I'll mark in black, y -7 divided by x -5 is equal to, so we are using this point, y -7 upon x -5 is equal to the slope of the line, which is 7 minus I would say square bracket 7 minus minus 1 upon 5 minus minus 3. So the left side is y minus 7. So I'm using this point y minus 7 upon x minus 5 is equal to the slope, which is 7 minus the y coordinate of this point, 7 minus minus 1 upon 5 minus minus 3, which is the x coordinate of this point, which is equal to 8 upon 8, which is equal to 1. So 7 minus minus 1 is 7 plus 1, which is 8. 5 minus minus 3 is 5 plus 3, which is again 8. So the equation of the line is y minus 7 is, is equal to x minus 5, because I take this is equal to this. This is the equation of line. I just send the x minus 5 up there, right side of the equal to sign. So y minus 7 is equal to x minus 5. So which means the equation of the line is x minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. I'll mark in green. This is the equation of the line. X minus y, x minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Now, this is the equation of this line. So which means all the points on this line would satisfy this equation, including the point here. But we already know the x-axis, x coordinate of the point here, which is x equal to 2. So if we substitute x equal to 2, substituting x equal to 2, we get 2 minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, y equal to 4. So I just substituted x equal to 2 here. So 2 minus y plus 2 equal to 0. So I send the y the other side. So y is equal to 4. So which means the coordinates of this point is, this particular point is 2 comma 4, because x equal to 2, that was a given, and I found out y equal to 4 from the equation of the line and substituting x equal to 2. So I already found the points, all the 3 points. So it's fairly easy to find out the ratio. So uh, I already got the first answer, which is 2 comma 4 is the point of intersection. So sorry, this is the second answer. Answer number 2, which is the answer number 2, which is the point of intersection coordinates. I'll mark this in green. Answer number 2. Now going for the first answer, let's say this point divides these 2 points in the ratio m1 x is to y, or m1 is to a is to b, just to be simple, a and b. So this point 2 comma 4 divides the other 2 points in the ratio a is to b. So the formula is 2 is equal to, which is the x coordinate, 5 into A minus 3 into B upon A plus B. Just give me a minute. So that's how it is done. 5 times A minus 3 times B, the whole upon A plus B. And the coordinates, the y coordinate of the intersection would be 4 equal to, you can very well guess, 7 times A minus B upon A plus B. So you can see the pattern here. Always the denominator is A plus B. So the x coordinate is 2. X coordinate of the intersection point 2 is 5A minus 3B upon, so 5A, which is the x-axis there. So because 2 is the x coordinate, 5A minus 3B upon A plus B. And the y coordinate of the intersecting point is 4 equal to 7A minus B upon A plus B. If we expand this, 2A, I'll just mark it, use the red ink. 2A plus 2B is equal to 5A minus 5B. So 2A plus 2B is 5A minus 3B. I'm sorry. Hence, we get 3A is equal to 5B. We get the same thing from the bottom also. We can verify. We already got the ratio, by the way. 4A plus 4B is equal to 7A minus B. So 3A is equal to 5B. So we get the same relation. So what is asked is the ratio, that is A to B. Because first they say this point minus 3 comma minus 1. So we need to read out the ratio first A by B. So they are asking for the ratio A by B. So A by B is equal to 5 by 3. So the ratio is 5 is to 3. That's the answer number 2. Answer number 1, sorry. I will mark this in green. So this is the ratio in which this point divides the 2 points given. So 5:3, which is A by B is 5/3. Thank you.